Mainly.
Really?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Does that feel better?
Oh, yeah.
Slide down just a little bit, Paul. You know, I'm having shoulder surgery Monday, so after this, I'll be an observer for a while Dr. Waz is working on you.
All right. Oh, left side still.
Cross this leg over to this one. So, better A, better B, switch legs.
Better B, I think, but still a little touchy.
I'm hoping this is the one that,
Still smarts on the left side.
better?
Left side, yeah, that's a little better, yeah. Left side still smarts.
But does that feel the best so far?
Uh-huh.
Okay, coming up. Uncross. How's that feel?
Yeah, a lot better.
A lot better.
Don't have the sting.